Hey everybody and welcome back. If you want to schedule a message in your Telegram, in today's video we are going to guide you through the process for that. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. Open up Telegram application for that. And once you open up Telegram, you can navigate to the chat where you would like to go ahead and schedule the message. So you can just go over and tap on one of the chat. And then once you tap on one of the chat, you just need to go over and type out your message or add any of the photos of us. So I'm just going to type in a message for now. I'm just going to type in hello. And once you type in the message, you can just go over and instead of tapping the send button, you can press and hold it up. If you press and hold it up, you will be finding a pop-up that says send without sound and schedule message. You need to select the option of schedule message from the menu. And once you select it up, you can choose the date and the time and confirmation button to schedule it. So you can choose a date and time. I would like to send it after this much time. So we're going to send it on this much time. You can repeat it if you want. You can tap on the repeat option if you'd like to repeat. But if you do not want, leave it as it is. And just go ahead and tap on send and confirm this button right here. And the message will be scheduled to be sent. So it will be scheduled for this much time will be written on the top of the message. You can just go over and follow this message, compose a message, and follow this process, and you should be able to schedule a message very easily on Telegram. So that's how you do it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.